Hello and welcome. Today we're going to look at the topic called momentum. Momentum part 1. So, momentum P is the moving inertia of an object. Okay, momentum is calculated by an object's mass times its velocity. So P, small letter p, is mass times velocity. Okay, if we look at the units that we're going to be using in this chapter, P is the symbol for momentum, and the unit is kilogram meters per second. M is mass in kilograms, V is velocity in meters per second. I, capital I, we're going to look at later as impulse, and that's measured in Newton seconds, and T for time. Okay, so firstly, because P is M equal V, if the objects are heavier with the same speed, they will have bigger momentum. So here we can see the smallest car has the least momentum, and the heaviest car has the most momentum. Secondly, because mass is equal to times velocity is equal to momentum, the bigger the speed, the bigger the momentum. So here we see the same mass car, but when there is zero velocity, there's zero momentum. When there is 20 meters per second, that's the most momentum. The faster it goes, the more momentum there is. Okay, so we're going to look at an example, simply applying the formula. It is straightforward. If they give us the momentum, they say how much momentum does a 1,575 kilogram Lamborghini Aventador have at its top speed of 97 meters per second. Now, if you want to know how fast that is, times that 97 with 3.6. Now, guys, I simply substitute the mass in the space of m. I substitute the velocity in the space of v, and I calculate the momentum. Alternatively, they could have asked me to calculate the velocity if I had the momentum and the mass, or they could have asked me to calculate the mass if I had the momentum and the velocity.